How to locate RBC branch number on app. Now it's very simple. All you have to do is to download the RBC application via the Play Store or the App Store. Now once you have downloaded and installed RBC app, you will now then log into your account. Once you logged in, you'll just have to click or to choose on the relevant account holder's number for you to be able to have the branch number. Now, other thing that you can do if you would like to use any other method, then you can definitely use your PC or laptop. You can also use your mobile phone's web browser. So from your end, just head directly to rbcroyalbank.com, and on their official site, you'll just have to scroll all the way down till you find this small box right here that is saying find a branch or ATM near you. Now all you have to do is to get your transit number from the account number or from the account that you wanted to find the branch number with. Now once you have located the transit number, you will now then be posting it here for you to be able to locate that number. So that's it. That's how you locate branch number in RBC app.